Out here today with my C4 custom knives. Just want to show you what another ideal Christmas present is. You have Forrest Fundamentals. Just gonna fluff this up. I have shown this before, but I just wanted to remind everybody that if you're looking for a low budget Christmas present for that guy who likes going to the woods or just camping or outdoors, basically, these Forrest Fundamentals Tinder and Ferro rod make a good addition to anybody's camping equipment. Just gonna put a little bit up there. As you can see, it's really cold. You keep getting snow during the night, so I'm just gonna do this quick and show you guys. So Forrest Fundamentals come with a very good striker, comes with some fat wood, and it comes with a very good ferro rod. So let me just show you this now. So I'm just gonna show you their Tinder. This is their Tinder. And as you can see, the ferro rod works really good. That is a good ferro rod. Throws a heap of sparks. I would say this gives my Uber Leben one a good run for its money. So again, check them out, Forrest Fundamentals. I'll put a link in the description box below, and you guys please check them out.